In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Bitdefender for maximum security on both Windows and Mac in just 5 minutes. By the end of this guide, you'll have a robust security system in place, ensuring your devices are protected against the latest threats. So, whether you're a tech novice or somewhat of a security enthusiast, this walkthrough will make enhancing your digital safety easy and straightforward. Let's get started by navigating to your Bitdefender application. You can do this by opening any web browser of your choice and heading over to the official Bitdefender Central website. If you haven't logged in already, go ahead and sign in using your Bitdefender account credentials. Once you're in, you'll see a neatly laid out dashboard that gives you an overview of all the features at your disposal. Next, on this dashboard, look for the option labeled Protection. This is one of the key sections where you'll manage various aspects of your security settings. Click on Protection, and you will be presented with a range of features designed to safeguard your device from malicious threats. Bitdefender's Protection section is like the control center of your security setup. It's critical to make sure that each feature is correctly configured to ensure comprehensive coverage against cyber threats. Now that you're in the Protection section, direct your attention to the option called Ransomware Remediation. This is a crucial feature that actively protects your files against ransomware attacks. Ransomware is a type of malware that locks your files and demands payment to unlock them. So having this feature enabled can save you a lot of trouble in the long run. Once you've found ransomware remediation, you'll want to enable it. If you see that it's not already turned on, simply click to enable it. This will activate Bitdefender's powerful ransomware defense tools. These tools work quietly in the background to detect and block any suspicious activities that resemble a ransomware attack, effectively intercepting threats before they can cause damage. As a quick pro tip, it's worth revisiting the Bitdefender settings periodically to ensure all your protections are not only up to date, but also configured to match your current security needs. The landscape of cyber threats is always evolving, and Bitdefender frequently updates its definitions and tools to stay ahead of emerging threats. There you have it. With just a few clicks, you've fortified your computer against one of the most insidious digital threats out there. Remember, keeping your system secure is an ongoing process, and staying informed about the latest features and potential threats is key. So be sure to check in on your Bitdefender settings regularly and stay proactive about your digital safety. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay secure.